Hello and welcome to Bailey's. Yet again, another fantastic product release from Nocpix. This time we have the Quest thermal binoculars. We're touting this as the thermal technology with the traditional binocular experience. So as you can see, these are tiny, very small. I'm going to come closer. You can see 4 buttons. You've got focus and a magnification there, just so you can see. So these are going to be available in 3 different sizes. You're going to have the L35R, which are going to have a 384 thermal sensor, and then you're going to have the H35R and the H50R, which these ones are, with a 640 by 512 sensor. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. These have got a sub net D of 15 millikelvin and a 60 Hz refresh rate, so nice and smooth as well. And the rangefinder on these goes out to 1,000 meters with a 2,600 meter detection range for the 640 model. So that is absolutely ideal as well. These are fully waterproof and just so small. Just to put it into context, this is my set of 6 kilo binos. These are my standard 10x42s, and look, apart from the flappy bits for your eye seals, they are not far off the same size. So absolutely superb in that respect. The magnification ranges on the L35Rs, the magnification range is going to be a base mag of ×5 up to a digital of ×20. On the H35 it's going to be a base mag of ×3, which Jake's doing a video on, so I'll tag somewhere up here for Jake's video. You can go and have a look there. So yeah, on the H35s it's 3 to 24, and then on these it's 4 to 32 on the H50R. These also feature a internal battery in here, as well as being able to run off a single 18650 battery, which you will get supplied with 2, which just go in here. So if I just pop this open, twist it round, pull, 18650 just goes in there, pop it back in, twist it round, lock it down, nice and secure. As you can see, just tiny. These have got adjustment here for setting these to your width of your eyes. Obviously we've got ocular adjustment to fine tune the image so it's nice and crisp of what you're seeing on the display. And on here as well, you might be able to see there, you've actually got a proximity sensor that you can turn on or off depending on your needs. So basically the minute you take these down away from your face, the display turns off to save power. So absolutely bang on. And the weight of these is only 700 grams without the external battery put in there. So yeah, just absolutely lovely. Really lovely. Software on these is very much the same as all the other spotters and scopes. So with one press of the menu button, you're going to get a quick display for changing your colour palette, your sharpness, your contrast, your brightness, etc. Long press and it brings up the full menu system where you've got your Wi-Fi, your image sharpening if it's a foggy night, and you can even go down into the settings, and these have also got the image stabilizing. So to save you shaking around and everything else, it zooms in a little bit and allows it just to stabilize the image. I'll be hopefully putting a clip of that up from this morning, because as you can tell, I'm dressed for shooting. I went stalking this morning on the row and I took these with me, and to be fair, they were absolutely bang on. So what we'll do, we'll go from this now straight onto some footage, and you can have a look at that and you can come to your own conclusions. But so now we're looking through the binoculars. As you can see, there's the group of roe, including a buck. You can see the animal I've already downed on the ground, and what you'll see me doing now is going into the main menu settings, going down and turning on the image stabilization, and you'll see the difference from how I'm shaking to that. That is how steady it gets. Focusing that in, you can see the big buck at the back. There you go, and that is super steady now. And then we'll change it, show you some different colour palettes. They're about 165 yards away. So this is before they actually came out. You've got one laid up in the right in the undergrowth, and the two does down there that you can see. I love the colour palettes on these things. This is just having a look around on the farmyard where I went out for a foxing job, just so you've got an idea on what the fences, gates, general buildings are going to look like. This is moving across in front of a lambing shed, which you can see in front of us, and my caller. You can see the heat from the ewes in there as well. So yeah, this is yet again just demonstrating how lovely the colour palettes are, especially Viridian and Crimson. I really do like that. So yeah, there you go. So I hope from that footage you can get an idea on how good these binoculars are. The key selling points on these I'm going to go through again. We've got the Vision Plus system with the Reality AI built into these. Integrated laser rangefinder up to 1,000 meters. Lightweight and portable at only 700 grams. One-handed operation courtesy of the focus and the zoom. Electronic image stabilization is built into these. The 18650 battery being an addition to boost battery life, which they say is 6 hours in these, I believe. 10mm pupil exits on there as well, and 64GB for you to be able to store as many videos, pictures on here as you want. But my biggest selling point for these is this is my standard bino harness, what I use for my SIG kilos. So if I just chuck this on, just to give you an idea. And this is only a small harness as well, because it's only used to having 8s or 10 42s in there. But these binos will go straight in, no problem at all, and they're secured. I haven't got to have a massive big bum bag on my chest. I haven't got to change anything. This is my standard harness for my standard binos, and it fits. The other thing about these is, if you order them, you do actually get a bino harness with this that comes with all the straps like what I've got on, but it's its own one, so it'll keep it nice and safe. Big wide frontal opening on there. You've got a lens cloth, and also you get your neck strap as well as your 2 batteries. So if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you've got any questions about any Nocpix products, be it the spotters or the rifle scopes, the Ace series, by all means get in touch and I'll answer any questions that you've got. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.